I wanted to expand my point of view and expand my horizons and see what was out there. I came in, had a discussion with one of the tutors here and decided it may be the best place for me within my final semester at Wintec. My name's Sarajane and I've just completed the Bachelor's degree of Sport and Exercise Science, and I was a design factory student. I thought it would be a good opportunity to connect with other industries and other parts of Wintec. It had its challenging moments, it had its high points, and I definitely feel like it has helped me move on to the postgraduate diploma and really build some resilience. I think leading up to the gala and doing all the preparation for that, as well as the more professional communication side, working with our industry partners. I would have a look back at the other papers that you have done within your degree. Also have a look at your group work experiences, and if you feel like these are weaker spots that you would like to improve on, then the Design Factory may be the place for you.